In this video, we will show you how to hook up an ITV Electro-Pneumatic regulator with IO-Link in the PLC of your choosing. During the video, we will show you the equipment, configuration, and the steps required to complete them. In the end, we will turn the power on to make sure that everything works. Let's get started. These are the parts and part numbers that you will need to connect your IO-Link ITV to your PLC. Please refer to these tools and previous video for typical ITV assembly. First, thread the IO-Link cable into the ITV using the M12 connector. Then connect the other end to the commercial IO-Link master. Next, push the IO-Link cable onto the ISC20 using the WA2 connector, as was done in its video, and thread the other end into the IO-Link master. Now, thread the power cable into the IO-Link master, and on the other end, strip the wires and connect them to the power supply accordingly. Polarity does matter. Next, make the field bus connection with the IO-Link master using this M12 connector, and on the other end, plug the RJ45 connector into the switch. To connect the PLC to the network, plug the RJ45 connector into the switch, then plug the other RJ45 connector into the PLC. Connect the PC to the network with its Ethernet port, and plug the other end into the switch. And finally, let's put power to each device, including the ITV, IO-Link master, PLC, and the switch. We need to check device connectivity. Turn on the power. And let's look for lights and communication. We have them there, and there, there, and there. Now we're ready for the next step. We hope you found this video useful.